Hello everyone, I'm back with my second lesson on English language facts, and today we are going to learn two language facts. So language fact 2, we have already learned language fact 1 in my last video lesson. So today I will be talking about two more language facts. So the second language fact says, I may say its name at the end of a syllable, but usually it says the short vowel sound, that is E. Remember, so we all know the letter I has two sounds, I and I. I. I being the short vowel sound and I being the long vowel sound. So let's look at some examples where the letter I says its long vowel sound. Pilot, bicycle, tiny, minus, right? But then it usually says its short vowel sound. Addition, family, intelligent, division, application, definition, happily. So these are some examples. You have still many words where you can identify whether the letter I is saying its first sound or the second sound, right? Language fact 3. C followed by E, I or Y says the second sound for C. So I have written 2 above C to signify that this is the second sound. The letter C has two sounds, k, s, k, s, right? So s being the second sound. Okay, so whenever the letter C is followed by these three letters, E, I or Y, you have to remember that it produces the second sound. C followed by E. Let's look at some examples. Race, face, dice, necklace. Then we have more examples. Center, forceps, century, cement. So what you will notice here is in all these words, the letter C is followed by E, right? C here, C is followed by E. Here also you will notice it is followed by E. Here again, here also the letter C is followed by E. Again you will notice in this case also, here also, here, here. So in all these cases the letter C is followed by E and so it produces the second sound. And let's look at some examples when C is followed by I. So we have words like circle, acid, citrus, cigar, cinema, specific, cinder. And here in all these words you will notice C is followed by I. Okay, circle, acid, citrus, cigar, cinema, specific, cinder, right? And so it produces the second sound, S and not K. Let's look at examples where C is followed by Y. Okay? So we have, cycle, cyber, signet. More examples, mercy, cylinder, cyanide. So here you will notice C is followed by Y, C followed by Y, Y, again here Y, Y. So I have chosen words here in the first case, C followed by Y in the beginning of syllable, right? Cycle. And cyber, signet. And in this case, when it is at the, you can say not at the beginning, but you can say in this case, mercy. It is like CY is at the second syllable, right? Mercy, not the first syllable. And here again, so you can look at and you can think about more examples where you will have the letters C and Y, right? And Y following C. So in all these cases, what you notice is the letter C is followed by E in the first case here, I or Y, and in all these words, it says the second sound or it produces the second sound, S, right? So the second sound for C is S. And the first sound, K, K, S, right? So That's all for today's session, and I'll be back with more language facts in English. Till then, take care.